See, it's been turned off. Supply. We want to turn it off. Turn it on back. Hi guys, this is smart changeover. It's derived from the device called automatic changeover. But the reason why we're calling it smart changeover is you can control your device through your phones. And also you can monitor your power usage, what you use at that instant. Also monitor the voltage supplied to you from the main power supply. So I'll show you the inner view of how it's been connected. Is it? We have contactors, we have our voltage monitoring system, and we have our delay system. This is our timer relay. And we have our microcontroller devices that does the communication from your device to your smartphone. It's communicated with the use of a wireless router. You can also communicate wirelessly to the device personally without using your home router. So let's take a view of how it works. Okay guys, now we have our generator supply, which is this yellow indicator, and this shows in use as there's this supply output, and this indicates that supply. Likewise, there is our soldering ports. Now let me take you through on how it's going to switch over from mains to generator. I'm going to use the same power supply to test the changing system, the switching over system. So when we get to where it's being installed, then you see how it switched over and switched off the generator. You can see this is a generator contactor, that is the mains contactor. Now we want to change over from main supply to generator. But notice is an indicator. You see, this has been tripped off. Right, it switched over to main power supply. Let me do that again. And also let me activate the system so that when this main supply is alarm the user. So you can not see the light. Once you see so you can see you won't even know when it's switched over from mains from generator to mains power supply, and it's notified the user that there's main power supply. Although you don't need to go to your generator to switch it off. What it does is going to switch off your generator automatically by itself. So what the alarm does is trying to notify the user that there are some rules that the user doesn't want to put on generator, but when there's power supply, switching over without the user not knowing that there's main power supply, with that alarm you'll be able to go and turn on some high loads devices that are not supposed to be on generator, like ACs and some other things. So then also let me take you through on how it's worked with mobile phone. Look at the indicator, the main power supply indicator, the mains. Now, this, as I said, this is not going to turn off at the moment because this is a laboratory test. This is not a field test. So, or else we removed it from the power supply. That's when the generator to turn off. Okay, guys, let me show you how you're going to use the smart changeover with your application. This is controlled by an ismart app, and also the controller in this box of two model, which is designed by SEC Technologies. We have they have the smart relay and smart point. Those two devices, which is the smart relay, is used to control any high-load devices with your phone. Also, you can control your lightings at home with your phone, and in your factory you want to turn on the machines with your phone, you can use the smart relay. This is a smart relay device, and this is a smart point. What this does is to monitor your voltage and your power consumption. This is a smart point. So let's take it on how it's being controlled, how the device is controlled with your application. Okay, on the high smart app. Smart app loading. Okay. Now, this is our home page, waiting for the application to communicate with the device. So, you can see all we do is we need to connect it with the device wirelessly. So now you can see delete changeover. So it has been connected wirelessly with the device. So you can see it shows that it's connected. Let's see. Is power consumption, voltage supply, and current consumed. The load at which the current at which the load is consuming at that instant. Okay, let's view all the devices connected to it. We want to control the box, the smart changeover, by turning off the central power. See, it's been turned off. So we want to turn it off, turn it on back. Also, you can turn off a generator with your mobile app. This will work when it gets to where it's been installed. Also, you have a widget. gadget does is normally you before switching on your generator manually, you need to turn off the load before turning off your generator. But with the how, that can also be possible when setting up your budget.